Hello, my name is Mayra Reyes, and today I would like to talk to you about a very interesting topic, which is dialects. Let's start. What is called a dialect? A dialect is a form of a language that is specific to a particular region or group. The study of dialects is known as dialectology or social linguistics. The difference between language and dialects. Well, as we know, a language is written as well as spoken, while a dialect is a variety of a language that signals where a person comes from. To your right, you can see an example. Even though it is impossible to estimate the exact number of dialects in English, it is estimated that over 160 different English dialects exist around the world. You may ask yourself, does American English have dialects? The answer is yes. There are roughly 30 major dialects in America. The entire West Coast will only encompass 3 dialects, and these areas are also known for having more of a neutral accent. Pacific Northwest, Pacific Southwest, and some Southwestern, just like in Texas. These are just 2 examples of dialects. A North American might say hello, while a Southern American might say howdy. Bonus point. Did you know that Italian, French, and Spanish were once dialects of Latin, but over centuries have evolved into their own languages, and in turn have spawned their own dialects, some of which have become languages. Another interesting point is that Chinese language has most dialects, 1.3 billion native speakers. Numbers vary widely. Ethnologue puts the number of native speakers at 1.3 billion native speakers, roughly 1.1 billion of whom speak Mandarin. But there is no doubt it's the most spoken language in the world. Very interesting, huh? Thank you for watching. Have a good day.